Catch a nigga at the corner store, leave his ass Vince.
Yo, what's good, y'all, bro? Hey, it's my first preset video, so like, I'm finna be giving y'all tips on like how to sound like HUNXHO if you be using BANDLAB or some shit. This how it's gonna sound when you make a song, and I'll have y'all with your presets too. Hold on, this how it sound like.
Let's get it. Every day I'm going hard, you know my mama love it. I've been doing it with my boys, and you know we steady hustle. We don't fuck with all that shit, we don't even do no tussling. And you know it's gonna be lit, but I don't even do no loving. I can't fuck with all these hoes, cause they really green and fuck. And I told my nigga that we finna get it right, so. And I'm on that 15 with her mindset of 20. If we showing all that afraid love, get a fuck from Run Beach. But I've been hearing what they saying, and I know that they been hating, but I gotta be the man. I can't let them knock me down, yeah, I got it, skin on 10. Nigga for everyone who don't wanna see me win. Nigga for everyone, and they finna see me crazy. Tryna be the good person, but they wanna see a villain. At the age of 10, I was in that motherfucking stealing. I ain't never get caught, but I ain't gon' do that shit again.
Alright, bro, so that's the song right there, bro. If y'all wanna know the song, comment down below, and I'll give y'all the name of the song. But like, here, this right, the noise gate, and then this the graphic EQ. Y'all might have a screenshot or some shit like that. And I'll put it in the, what you call it, bro? I'll put it in the description too, the link for the preset. Space maker right here. And then, studio reverb. So like, y'all, yeah, this everything you gotta do to sound like HUNXHO and BANDLAB, bro. Yeah, yo. And like, as soon as you get this preset, bro, you gonna be good to go. Like, it is, man. Like, bro. And the preset for the ad-libs, it's the ad-libs, man. Yeah, right here. And yeah, I'm gonna put that in the description too, but like, yeah, that's what I was trying to, you feel me?
But I got a price, they got no scenes. They can't even try to send my phone. I'm too fucking dead. Catch a nigga at the corner store, leave his ass Vince.